Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Hey, boys! Or actually, girls. Wednesday morning, we're out here on Shake Ridge Ranch, and it's pretty cool. I am not dressed appropriately. I've got a bathing suit and sandals on, and yeah, it was in the 40s this morning, so. We just finished sampling T-Block or Mourvèdre here. The flavors are super bright, tons of acid. With these temps, I think we're still about 8 to 10 days out before we pick, so we've got a little ways to go. This is O-Block on Shake Ridge, and this is the same clone, so 369, but planted on 110R rootstock, which actually makes a huge difference in how the clusters grow. Much tighter clusters here as opposed to the looser ones on St. George. This is I-Block, and we're sampling the last block of Mourvèdre that we have here at Shake Ridge Ranch. Whoa! And it's delicious. It's a little bit further ahead. Vines are a little bit older, but it's and it hangs a heavier crop here. Ooh. This is Skinner Stony Creek Vineyard, and this is in El Dorado County, about 35 minutes or so from Shake Ridge Ranch. Very different soils here, mostly decomposed granite. We're up a couple hundred feet higher at close to 2,600 feet, right around there, and oh yeah, in the tube. Dun, 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 dun. From here pretty quick because we've got to get to one more vineyard and then still to the winery this afternoon back in Sonoma. So we've got a long day still ahead of us, and we're out of here.